Let's look at how to concatenate data in Excel. Concatenate means to link things together. I have a list in column A that's in sequential order. I need to concatenate each one of these items with a -C at the end. So in column B, in row 1, I have the letter C. To get started, I'm going to copy this C all the way down the column. The fastest way to do this is to click in cell B1, and in the bottom right-hand corner of the cell, there's a little tiny square. If you place your cursor over that square, it becomes a tiny plus symbol, and double-click. Double-clicking tells Excel to take the top cell, the selected cell, copy it, and paste it all the way down until it finds an empty row. When Excel automates processes, it looks for empty rows and empty columns. And then in C1, we're going to put in our formula. Formulas in Excel always start with the equal sign, so I will tap equal. And I want the concatenate formula, so I will start to type. And when you type formulas in Excel, you get a list of all the possible formulas according to what you're typing. I'm going to keep typing until I'm down to just a few. And I'm down to 2, concat and concatenate. Concatenate has a warning symbol next to it. That is being phased out, so we want to use concat. Since I've typed the entirety of concat, I can just use an open parenthesis, or I could double click on the word concat. The first thing I want to do is select cell A1, so I will type A1. Notice the color of my text is blue and A1 is highlighted in blue. Then I will use a comma. A comma in an Excel formula is a separator. Comma. And now I want to add in that dash. I'm going to use a double quotation mark to begin that. The double quotation mark tells Excel I'm not going to reference data from somewhere. I'm going to provide a string. And Excel will add that string to my final product or to my results. Double quotation mark, add the dash, and do a second double quotation mark. That tells Excel I'm finished with my string. I tap a comma as my separator, and now I will add in the data in cell B1, so I do not need the double quotation mark. And that's all I'm joining together. I'm not joining anything else. So I'm going to do a close parenthesis, and then I will hit enter on my keyboard. And here is my result. This is exactly what I want. And if I want this to happen from row 1 through row 20, just like we did a moment ago, I will click cell C1. I will find that little tiny square in the bottom right-hand corner, double click it. And there is our concatenated data.